Welcome on Cosmetology channel. Today we will be testing Loreal Majirel Colors Blonde, and if you're interested in my final result, I expect to have natural looking blonde on the top on my roots that are already very dark. Let's get started, and now I will show you what colors I have mixed and how. I'm using Majirel number 9, 10, 13 and Olaplex number 1. And I hope with this combination I will find my dream hair. Okay, let's mix. I'm putting 7 milliliters of number 10. This was the black bottle. And then I am adding number 13, around 12 milliliters. After that, I'm grabbing number 9 and just adding really few, maybe 5 milliliters. And then I added few drops more of 10 to have altogether 28 milliliters. So for 29 milliliters of the color, I'm adding Oxidant with 1 to 1.5 proportion, 45 milliliters. I'm blending everything to have one solid cream. Then I'm dividing my hair into half and then into 4 different sections and clipping them with just standard clippers. After that is done, I'm revealing the first part and I'm starting to apply the color on the roots. With the end of the brush, I'm doing another section on my hair and the same exercise, putting color on the right and left side of the hair. And I repeat that for all the section until I have no hair left on this side. Then I'm expanding the color a little bit down to create shades and also to make it blend with my natural color. And I will do this in different places from 5, 10 to maximum 15 centimeters. And then I'll go to the back, kind of pull my hair to the front and do the same exercise but vertical, if you know what I mean. And then I will repeat exactly the same on my left side of my hair. As you can see, it's not evenly spread, and this is exactly the way I want it to be, so I hope it will blend. And let's see, I will keep it 30 minutes on my hair now. Okay, so welcome back after the washing. I was sitting with this color for around 30-35 minutes from the moment that I started with the fringe and the top of my scalp. Now I can see that the roots are covered perfectly, the growth is invisible, the color is matching exactly what I have on my hair. There is no moment in the hair structure, in the hair length, that it's showing that I just did the roots. And that is actually a surprise because I'm not a professional hairdresser and I was doing this exercise with this color, with this mix of those 3 for the first time. So I'm kind of proud of myself. Okay, so here you can see the color is not that yellow as on the previous background. Here's the crown. So I think in the old lamps that I have here and in this beautiful gold background, it looks a bit yellow, but in reality I think it looks much cooler. That I'm really proud of. This was exactly what I was aiming for. I also bought a few toners to try for future with some ash silver finish and also with rose gold finish. I will be testing those colors as well on my hair. So I have to say I'm very satisfied. So a few words about the process. As you know, I used Olaplex number 1 with the color, and then after I rinsed it off, I used Olaplex number 2 for like 20 minutes. Sorry. For cleaning and conditioning my hair, I used the shampoo Loreal, the series, the pink one, with I think it's color protection series, and I used conditioner from Kerasta's Discipline, that is anti-freeze, and I just used 1 push of the argan oil on my ends. That's it. I didn't style it with, you know, iron or any tool. I just wanted to look natural because I think it will just show the best how the color look like. So tell me what you think. I know this is not like a transformation video, but sometimes we all women want to feel natural and have natural effect and some perfect match with our hair. So I think I found one. What the minus that I can find here in this journey today is the smell. There's so much smell of ammoniac in the Loreal Majirel. Sorry, I have to put the camera back. Anyway, I really enjoyed this video mostly because I have my hair done and I don't scare people on online calls and online meetings. And of course, if you like this video, you are very welcome to subscribe to my channel. I'm a cosmetologist and I'm talking and testing a lot of different beauty care, body care, skincare brands for you. And I hope you had some fun with me today. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.